how to set your printer as a default. In this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you want to set your printer as a default, so how to fix it? So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, if you want to set printer as a default, so what you do? So guys, click here taskbar and click here task manager option, and after that guys, click here file, run new task, click here and type here control and check this checkbox and click here OK button, and after that guys, select here this category large icon. Okay, and after that guys, find here device and printers, click on it and find your printer here. Okay, this is our printer. Right click on it and click here set as default printer. So guys, you can see here check mark is displayed here. Now your printer is default here. Check your printer is default or not. Now open any file like a notepad and type here something, and after that try to print it. File and click here print. So guys, you can see here your printer get default here. Check mark is displayed here. So your printer is default now. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.